Have you ever wondered how massive whale transactions and shifting sentiment can create opportunities in the crypto market? Today, we're unraveling the mysteries behind Cardano's recent dip, a spike in $1 million plus transactions, and bold predictions for ADA's future. If you're holding Cardano or thinking about investing, this video will equip you with critical insights to make smarter decisions. So, grab your coffee, stay tuned, and watch until the end. You don't want to miss what we've uncovered. Hello, crypto enthusiasts across the globe. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your best plug for the latest cryptocurrency news, trends, and in-depth analysis. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Cardano's market dynamics, bearish sentiment, whale activity, and a potential path to reclaiming and exceeding its all-time high. If you love crypto content that doesn't just report but analyzes and simplifies the data for you, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Now, let's get into the heart of today's topic. Cardano's price has dipped by 2.04% to $1.06 in the past 24 hours, signaling what some may call a bearish turn. Yet, beneath the surface, there's an intriguing narrative unfolding. 687 whale transactions worth over $1 million in just 24 hours. What's going on here? Could this be the beginning of a strategic accumulation phase? And what about the projections? Is $7 or even $14 a realistic target for ADA? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down and providing actionable insights. Let's start with the numbers. Cardano is currently trading at $1.06, reflecting a slight dip of 2.04% over the past day. While some may view this as a setback, a broader look shows that ADA has gained 5.54% over the past week. This performance follows an impressive rally last month, which saw ADA testing key resistance levels. However, with the current decline in momentum, it's only natural to ask, what's causing this slowdown? Prominent crypto analyst Ali Martinez recently flagged a shift in sentiment for Cardano. The Weighted Sentiment Index, which measures the overall mood of investors and traders, turned negative at -0.786. Historically, such bearish sentiment has often signaled contrarian opportunities for savvy investors. For instance, in early November, ADA saw a similar dip in sentiment, only to rally back to $1 by November 22. But there's more. Social mentions of Cardano have dropped significantly, hitting just 206 mentions. This marks a steep decline from the heightened engagement levels of previous months. While this reduced public interest may seem alarming, it could also signal a period of consolidation, where long-term investors quietly build their positions. The crypto market is notoriously emotional, swinging between fear and greed. Sentiment metrics like these are often lagging indicators, capturing what the majority is feeling after the trend has begun. Experienced investors know that sentiment extremes, whether bullish or bearish, often precede market reversals. Could this dip in sentiment for Cardano be laying the groundwork for its next breakout? Now, let's shift gears to one of the most exciting aspects of Cardano's recent performance, whale activity. Within the past 24 hours, 687 transactions exceeding $1 million have been recorded. To put this into perspective, such a surge in large transactions typically signals heightened interest from institutional investors or high net worth individuals. Data from Into the Block supports this observation, revealing fascinating changes in ownership dynamics. Mid-sized holders, often considered long-term participants, have increased their holdings by 1.74% over the past month. Retail investors have also stepped up, with ownership rising by 1.19%. Interestingly, whale holdings have declined by 2.69%, suggesting a redistribution of assets from larger holders to smaller, potentially more engaged investors. Whale activity is a double-edged sword. On one hand, large transactions often precede significant price movements, as whales have the power to influence market trends. On the other hand, a reduction in whale holdings could indicate profit-taking or a strategic redistribution to diversify risk. The key takeaway here? Watch the whales, but also consider the broader ownership trends. The increasing participation of mid-sized and retail investors could mark the early stages of a new rally. Bullish projections. Is $7 or $14 realistic? A market commentator recently shared an ambitious outlook for Cardano. He believes ADA could reclaim its previous all-time high of $3 and potentially surge to $7 or even $14 in the upcoming bull run. Achieving a $14 price target would require a market cap of $500 billion, a tall order, but not impossible given Cardano's history and future potential. Cardano's historical performance, a bullish case. To better understand these projections, let's revisit Cardano's performance during the last market cycle. Between March 2020 and September 2021, ADA skyrocketed from $0.01913 to $3.161, a staggering 164-fold increase. This track record suggests that Cardano has the potential for exponential growth during bullish phases. However, it's important to note that such massive rallies are often followed by significant corrections. Investors aiming for long-term gains should brace for volatility while keeping an eye on key fundamental developments. While $14 might seem ambitious, it's not entirely out of reach if Cardano continues to innovate and expand its ecosystem. From smart contracts to decentralized finance, DeFi, and interoperability solutions, Cardano's growth potential is immense. But let's be realistic, such a price target would require flawless execution, broader market support, and sustained adoption. Cardano's strength lies in its focus on sustainability, scalability, and interoperability. Unlike some other blockchain projects, Cardano has prioritized building a robust foundation before chasing short-term gains. This methodical approach has earned it a reputation as one of the most reliable and forward-thinking platforms in the crypto space. With features like the Alonzo upgrade, which introduced smart contract functionality, and its ongoing efforts to improve interoperability, Cardano is well positioned to capture a significant share of the blockchain market. As DeFi and NFTs continue to grow, Cardano's ecosystem is likely to benefit from increased adoption and use cases. Are you finding this analysis insightful? If so, take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update. Your support helps us bring you detailed and engaging crypto content like this. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What this means for investors. So, what should you do as an investor? Here are a few actionable takeaways. Monitor whale activity. Keep an eye on large transactions and ownership trends. They often provide early clues about market sentiment. Leverage sentiment metrics. Use tools to track social sentiment, but don't rely on them alone. Combine this data with technical and fundamental analysis. Focus on fundamentals. Cardano's ecosystem is growing, and its long-term potential remains intact. Invest with a focus on fundamentals, not just short-term price movements. Diversify and hedge. While Cardano shows promise, remember to diversify your portfolio and manage risk appropriately. Cardano's recent dip in sentiment and price might appear concerning, but it also presents opportunities for patient investors. With increasing whale activity, growing participation from mid-sized and retail holders, and an expanding ecosystem, ADA's long-term prospects remain strong. Whether it's $7 or $14, Cardano's potential hinges on its ability to execute and adapt in a rapidly evolving market. Thank you for sticking with us through this detailed exploration of Cardano's market trends and future potential. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update for more in-depth crypto content. Remember, our content is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Before you go, check out our other videos. We've got updates on Bitcoin, XRP, and other top projects that you'll find insightful. Let's continue to explore the crypto world together. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.